Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, enable universe and multiverse repository by running the following command. Install libx and related packages with the next command. Run the following command to confirm that this encoding and encoding are support. You should get the following output. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.